The core of our mission is we care. This work is so meaningful, and it really does make a positive difference. Maternal and Family Health Services is a nonprofit health and human service organization. We deliver essential programs that help women, children, and families have access to high-quality health care. We've grown to cover 17 counties, serving 50,000 individuals monthly. 200 employees are spread across a wide range of counties. They're all there to support our staff working out in the field. So we need to be connected to them, and they know they can reach us whenever they need to. Our legacy phone system was at the end of support, and we weren't able to adapt it anymore.
We had one employee that went to 3 different locations, so we had 3 computers for that one user.
It was just kind of a mishmash of different types of endpoints.
We had a lot of items to consider when we were looking at the new phone system. The total cost we were looking at was in the hundreds of thousands of dollars to replace all that equipment.
They would have had to upgrade it to a cloud solution, replaced all the phones, the hardware, the network connection.
What VMMT does is their employees are able to make outbound calls outside of the organization. The employee can answer the call from any device, they can move calls between devices, and you can uplift calls from the smartphone to the Teams app. One platform for their calling, for their messaging, and their meetings.
The nurses are out in the field, and it's very important that they're connected to their laptops, that they're able to log in and provide information to the client in real time. As we have grown and our needs have grown, it's been a great partnership to work with Verizon.
Now with the new Teams phone system, they have one mobile number, opposed to just 3 of them at 3 different locations.
The physical equipment cost was much lower for the system. Phones that we used to pay several $100s for, then now we're able to replace with iPhones that are $50 a piece. The flexibility of being able to answer that call no matter what device they're using, even if they have to work remotely, they're able to toggle themselves into the calling queue no matter where they are.
Some customers today have whole facilities set up with desks and stations and phones, hundreds of thousands of dollars set up in the event that something fails. Why not just do that on your mobile, right? The device you already have. And if Teams happens to go down, you can still make and take calls until it comes back up. So you can go to sleep at night knowing if something happens, your users are still able to make and take calls, especially in an emergency.
This project has been the vision that we've had for what we wanted our phone system to be.
There's a lot of reasons why Verizon, but I always come back to our network, and we have the best out there.
And it just works, right? Wireless is everywhere.
Overall, going with the Verizon system was much more cost effective. I think it's a great product, and it just made sense for our organization.
We're focused on care when it comes to our communities and the people we're serving, to make sure we're meeting the needs of people where they are today, and it's been a great success.